Julie here with a quick tutorial on how to fill your palette. Doesn't matter whether you have one layer, number 4, or you have a 2 layer, an 8 or a 12, you're going to load it the same. So when you get these, you're going to get instructions from me if you're one of my clients on how to put them in order. And you simply I'm going to take my first color, which is my contour. I'm going to put a finger on the bottom, my thumb on the top, and I slide this forward, slide it right off, put it into my palette, okay? I'll do another one here. Just do like this, slide it forward, pop it in, put them all in the order that you get. Now, the really awesome thing about Seint is that, for example, if your color in the summer is darker than your color in the winter and you still have some left, you just pop it out. If you save the tin top, and then you can put it away in your makeup counter until it's time to bring out that darker color again. Or if you get tired of a color and you want to order some new things, then you just take them out or expand, get a bigger palette. So yeah, that's how you put your palette together. I have all kinds of tutorials on my YouTube channel, just Julie Wiemann at Wiemann Family. Yeah, that's my channel. So follow me for more tutorials.